So how to maintain this type of corn harvester? There have some work you should do. When harvesting season is coming, you should clean the air filter every day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put this down, and then you take the air filter out of the filter system to clean the air filter every day. And for the hider, the big chains, every day after you finish the harvesting, you can use the used engine oil to brush in every chains, the big chain in the hider. Every day after working, you should do that. And other things for the grease feeding, like that. After one season, if the harvest season is long, after maybe 7 days, after 10 days, you take some little in each point. It should be not too much. A little is okay. Maybe after 1 week. Harvesting season after 1 week, put some little grease inside. Each one is same. And you should check the belt tightly like that. If it loosed, you should to tight the belt system. This one you can see the tighter is hit this. You can make it tightly like this. Every day you should check the belt, the chain, the nut, it loosed or not. This is the work every day you should do. And for the filters, like the engine filter, engine oil filter, the fuel filter, and you should change them the first time after 15 hours, because it is the first time the harvester is new using. So you should change all filter in after 15 hours. After the first time you change the filter one working season, change them. But the air filter is you can check it. If the station or the air filter is okay, you can use it. You can, because every day you clean it, you can see it should be changed or not. And for the hydraulic oil, you can see this is the first one, and in the back, this is the second one. The hydraulic oil should be in this level. Should be more than half. In this station will be good, the hydraulic oil. And you can see the hydraulic oil, if it's not clean, you need to change it. We ask the hydraulic oil can't be used in second time. So the hydraulic oil should be used good oil. And after you change the filter, the hydraulic oil also should be changed to the new oil. The fuel have two filter on this harvester. This one is the first filter. If the fuel is not good, it will have some water inside, and this one will make the water out of the fuel. The water will be stay in there Sometimes you can see here, after driving 12,000 kilometers or using the heaviest 300 hours, you should change this filter. And if in the use they have a very much water inside, you can loose this nut to let the water out of this filter. And there's no water, you will tighten it again, make it tight like this station. Then this filter can keep using. The fuel tank inside, you can add fuel in there. Here is the peeling system. Con hider.